It's okay, man.
Yeah! Good job, Jackson! Woo!
It should be fun.
There you go.
Oh.
Hey, way to pick that, kid.
At least we're not playing
That's it, kid.
No, we go there a lot. Making sure they didn't need it all.
First base, Ryan. Second base, Carson. Shortstop, Alexander. Third base, Matt. Number 1, Aaron, center field. Hayes, left field. Delios, right field. Crystal's Muhammad Cow, you on the bench. Cow, grab the batteries in for them.
Oh, yeah. They count. They count the guys over the table. I mean, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
What's up, Tiger?
Yeah, Saturday, please.
Ready? Come on now. Yeah. You got
Nice job, Jake.
Come on, Sarah.
Trying to fit in.
All right, Sarah. All right, Sarah. Woohoo! Let's go. Good swing, good swing.
You never know when it might get cold. There you go. Put your bat on. Yeah, that's it.
Come on, Sarah. Not secret if you tell us.
Hey guys, baseball ready, huh? Focus. Every time, every throw, back it up. It's over, Alexander. Third one. Towards third.
Come on, Slugger, let's go. Come on, Steven. Steven. Come on, Steven. Center field. Over the top.
Ryan, one more off the back, buddy. One more off the back. Up. Good.
Jake, here we go.
There you go, kid. Atta boy. Swing, good swing. Nice boy, inside. Atta boy, Steve. Keep those hands up and chop wood for you, There you go. That's fair. That's fair. That's fair. Good job.
Way to go!
Focus on the middle. bud. Just one more out. First and second base, you get tagged, guys. You get
Come on, Purdy! Early. Swing hard. Oh, swing. Earlier. Watch it all the way.
Well, right now we're working on it.
Good hustle, Steven. Woo! Way to go, Steven.
Hey, RBI, Cody. Good hitter right here, bud. Hey, Rob, you want to trade that? Sure, he's better than that.
Brian Stelios Muhammad. Max, Brian Stelios Muhammad. Let's get a rally going, guys. Keep the pressure on. Oh. This is the pain. 1-5?
Why did you get flashcards?
Allison's got that.
15 on the pitches?
Right, it's a gold card.
16.
Allison's got that.
Like this.
No run, 1 away.
Go!
Come on, Gabe. Yeah, all right.
Well, yours wouldn't have been
Time for it.
yours still lives at it. No, no.
Oh, good, yeah. Mommy, come down! That's my goal.
Hey, Tim, you ready for this guy coming to play?
Oh, nice throw, Gabe. That was good.
Good, Gabe. The Band-Aid, Gabe, I'm telling you.
All right, let's go, Ace! Woohoo! There we go!
Hands up, baby!
Hi, Brian.
Oh, in the field.
Teacher, you cannot fish when I have my hand up. Here we go. Scorekeepers, that's no pitch.
Ready, Nate? Ready, Nico?
Go!
On middle, make the play, you guys.
All right, Jackson, come on now. Go, go. Nice. Hey.
Out of the way there, boy.
Stop the game.
Off up game.
Woo! Sweet. You go, Jackson. All right, do better, do better.
Hey, Tanner, your way.
Nice.
Oh, yeah, Gabe. Keep going, Gabe. Ready? Hey, good defense, middle. Heads up, man, heads up. All right, Sarah, it's a fourth out of third. Okay, no damage, Gabe, no damage.
Go!
Good job, Jack.
Hey, be ready, Abe. Ball coming away.
Catch, Gabe. Stopping that ball.
Sarah, 1 second till the third, okay? Be ready with the glove out.
Go.
Beat it.
All right, you guys. Come on now, Ace. Hold up.
Cut!
Come on, Jake.
Let's go, Ace. Come on, one more, Ace. Here we go, guys.
Get out there. All right, let's strike him out, Jack. Okay. Fade, steady fade. Okay, ready for that play at home plate. Cody, ready?
Nice pitch, Jackson. Oh, so close. Good job, Steve. Alright? Alright. See what I'm saying?
Back on the mound. Left field tied, center field Hayes. Right
Hey, Jake, that was a really good swing. It was right there. Just stay on it. Load early, okay? Good job.
Whose team you on, man? What's up? What's up?
Kid, you never not coach your kids. You're always your kid.
Yeah, I agree. I'll let it slide.
Hey, I only have about the good kids. Guys, I want to see batter, helmets and red. Anybody who leaves the dugout.
Oh, really? Yeah, they left, but they said to stay quiet. They got to see Gabe play. The last thing that I know.
Check engine and all the lights in the car lit up like a Christmas.
He was getting close. He had one. I just was going to talk to him and see what he was. No, sometimes I ask him, how you doing?
You're saying it was like a solid straight
Got you 2 more.
All right, Anthony. Start us off now. Let's go.
What a boy.
Good night, kid.
Stepped over.
Come on, Eddie.
Strikes though. All right. Good night there, Anthony. All right,
Baseball player, load it up. Load it up.
First and second infield.
Anthony, go! Yeah! Nice job. Good hustle.
Plays it first now, guys. Got a runner on, buddy.